Hello, good morning. Today I want to show you how to use the CRM to make a lead, then customer. A lead is a potential customer. So before you actually convert a person, a prospective person that is going to buy from you to a customer, you have to add them through the lead option. So if you open your CRM app, you should have these five options at the bottom: the messages, the work, the CRM, the app, and me. In case you're not having any of this, you can escalate the issue to the IT team for immediate resolution. Now let's proceed. So we want to add a lead. So you click on CRM. You should see the lead option up here. If you can't find the lead option there, then you can click on all objects. Then you see other options you can use here. But this is lead. So I'll click on this lead. This will open up. If you are new to the system and don't have any lead at the moment, this place is going to be empty. But for this person, there are leads already there. So all I want to do is to add a new lead. So I'll be clicking on the plus sign up here. So when you click on the plus sign, it will open up a form for you to fill about the lead. Ensure you fill accurate information there. Other thing you need to look at is you can see the red asterisk behind. All those red asterisks means those fields are important. Without submitting this field, you won't be able to proceed. You can see this will only show the most important field, but regardless, you have to fill the other ones. Okay, so for the name, you're talking about the name of the person you are interacting with. Let's say my name is Shegun. And what is my company name? My company name is Shegun Enterprise. Always ensure you use capital letter for this company name. Okay, so I'll say Shegun Enterprise. And the department, I can say sales department. And for the position, I can say he is a sales manager. Okay, so for source, what kind of thing are you trying to do? Is it introduction? Is it development? Optionally or majorly, you can go with development. You're trying to develop a new lead. So for lead details, for these details, you have to enter the lead information. Like this particular lead is gotten from so and they are into this kind of business. Okay, let's say met at the trade fair, deals with electronics. Okay, can you see that? So for the phone number, you're going to enter the correct mobile number of the lead you are generating. So in my case, I'll say 081 60 60 3479. This mobile, you can copy the same thing and put, but you can look at the back, you see it's optional. This email is required. If you don't put it here, then you have to put it in another place. Ensure you get the lead email if possible. Okay, so for the address, I can just add my address like 46 Broad Street. Okay, the address you are adding is for the lead. That is their shop address or office address. Okay, so if you have discussed about any requirements, the customer made requirements like do you have this, do you do this, do you do free delivery, you can list all the requirements. The questions asked by the customer, you can list them there. If the customer is having a website, you can put it there. Then for this campaign, you can jump it and the other thing. So you click on submit. That is your first step of creating a lead. Now, after clicking on submit, the CRM is going to open a new page showing you your lead, the company name, the source, and every other information about the lead. Then you can see a green bar here showing an arrow telling you to move forward. Okay, this CRM application is just going to go through, is going to put you through how it's going to capture every of the information about your discussion with your customer. Okay, so there may be follow-up moments. Maybe you give the customer a call. There might be time you send an email to the customer to remind the customer, about your goods and how you can actually sell to them, stuff like that. You can record everything under the follow-up moment. But majorly, if your conversation is proceeding, then you should be able to change the stage from the receive stage where you just added the customer information to the next stage, which is, so when you click on change stage, it's going to show this option. So you click on business, that is, you are progressing with your conversation with the customer. So when you click change stage, it's going to change to business stage. At this point, the conversation is proceeding, you are getting good feedback from the customer. Okay, so from this stage, click on change stage again and to conversion. If you have actually been able to get the mind of the customer and the customer is showing good opportunities of buying, so you click on conversion. If you make a mistake of clicking on close, then you have to start adding the lead all over again. So I'm going to click on conversion now, and it's saying, are you sure you want to change this data to conversion? Cannot be changed after the change. Okay, so if you are sure the customer is ready to buy, then you can click OK. So the 3 stages are completed. Now we need to proceed. After adding this lead, kudos, this is your first step. Now let's proceed to the other step, which is transferring this lead to a customer. Please note, if this lead is not ready to buy, if the lead is not showing seriousness of buying, do not convert to customer until the person or the lead is ready to buy. Then you can transfer to customer. How do you do that? There's a transfer option here at the bottom. When you click on it, it will pop up like this. So after popping up like this, it says convert leads. Okay, you click on OK at the top right corner here. Can you see it? So it's going to show you another new page. Is it a new customer or is it an existing customer? If there's an existing customer on the system already, then you will be able to add as a new customer. Instead, you need to associate with an existing customer. But if you know it's a new customer, then you can click on new customer. So on this level, all these red asterisk options are mandatory and you have to fill them before you proceed. Okay, so let's proceed. So under customer type, you have to select the one where you belong. Is it open trade? Is it distribution? Is it modern trade? Is it open trade? Is it Lagos? Depending on the one you belong. Okay, I'm going to pick Lonto distribution order. Order means other state apart from Lagos. Okay, primary contact, that is the name of the person you are interacting with, Mr. Sharing. Okay, so state, you have to pick the state. Since I picked Lonto distribution order, that means it's not Lagos. Then it can be Ogun State or any other place. You can look for the state here from these options here and select. Okay, I'll select Ogun. Okay, my email is there, my address is there, the customer's address, sorry, is already there. Customer situation is mandatory. Please always make sure you fill all these red asterisk options, otherwise you won't be able to submit. Product demand fan, you have to enter whatever the customer is demanding. You can see the option there. Sorry, let's proceed. So customer situation, then it can be like the person is trying to buy CTL 41R, sorry, 041R. Our products are by code, so you should know this. So let's say the customer is buying CTL 041R times the person is buying 50 pieces, okay, or 50 carton or maybe any other thing. So the customer photo, you are required to take the picture of the customer, but so many times they might not allow you. But regardless, you just have to fill something here. So let's say I'm picking the customer's photo. Sorry about that. Let me show you what happened there again. So let's say I'm picking customer photo. I can pick from my camera, or I can I can take the picture directly. Okay, let's say I'm snapping from camera. I can snap directly from camera. It says what? Please start location service to get precise location. All you just need to do is to slide down and make sure that your location is on. See it here. Okay, I just put up my location and I'll click cancel and go back. And now that my location is on, I'll select the photo again from camera. So sorry. So I'm gonna click on camera. I can pick from album work from camera if I want to snap directly. So let's say this is my customer. I'll just snap it. And I'll select this thing here, this Chinese word here, like this. Okay, I just added my customer photo. I need to add my customer shop's photo. Okay, so you click on camera again, camera to snap directly. So I'll snap my customer shop and I'll click on the word one here. You can snap different angles. Okay, so every other thing here are not mandatory, they are just optional. So after this, please, you need to click on OK, but ensure you have entered correct details from this end before you click on OK. So what happens when you click on OK? This, your new customer, is going to be stored on the CRM application, but some decision makers in the organization are going to receive the notification of your new customer and approve. Please kindly relate with your line manager to put you through on the approval of your new customer. Thank you.